Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see another scholarship sponsored by the Delhi government, merit scholarship for SC, ST, OBC and minorities. So this is the scholarship which is given, a merit scholarship for SC, ST, OBC and minority students pursuing technical as well as professional courses. Delhi 2021. This is the what we have the title of this scholarship, that is a merit scholarship for SC, ST, OBC minority students pursuing professional as well as technical courses 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Mundekar, Associate Professor in Head, Department of Geology, AKI Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. The merit scholarship for SC, ST, OBC minority students pursuing professional and technical courses. The deadline is 30th June 2021. Now see about the program. The Department for the Welfare of SC, ST, OBC, Government of NCT of Delhi invites application for merit scholarship for SC, ST, OBC as well as minority students pursuing professional and technical courses Delhi 2021 from recognized and professional courses or technical courses in the recognized institutes. The scholarship aims to provide financial assistance to the eligible students so that they can complete their higher education, and selected students will receive 1,860 rupees per month for 12 months. The eligibility criteria: to be eligible for this applicant, he be a domicile of Delhi. So this will be only restricted for Delhi, and the students which are belonging to SC, ST, OBC minority students be studying in recognized colleges, professional technical institute at undergraduate as well as postgraduate level, and having family income should be income not exceeding 2 lakhs for OBC students and 3 lakhs for minority students. The professional degree courses benefits which are going to get it out in this particular scholarship: for hostelite, Indian rupees 1,620 per month for 12 months. That is for professional degree courses. For day scholar, means those who are there study in their home, 900 rupees per month for 12 months that is given. For professional postgraduate course student, hostelizer will get 1,860 per month for 12 months, and day scholar will get 960 rupees per month for 12 months. Professional diploma or postgraduate diploma courses student will get, the hostelizer will get 1,110 rupees per month for 12 months. For the day scholar, Indian rupees 720 per month for 12 months. Similarly, professional certificate courses, hostelizer will get 930 rupees per month for 12 months, and the day scholar will get 630 rupees per month for 12 months. For general courses up to graduation level, the hostelizer will get 804 rupees per month for 12 months, and the day scholar will get 420 rupees per month for 12 months. Postgraduate studies in arts, science, commerce and other subjects, hostelizer will get 930 rupees per month for 12 months, and the day scholar will get 630 rupees per month for 12 months. What are the documents are required? Residential proof that you have been residing in the Delhi area, Aadhaar card, caste certificate, income certificate if applicable, then the bank details of the student with the Aadhaar card link, then previous class mark sheet, fee structure if applicable, fee receipt if is there, he has taken already admission, and verification letter for outside Delhi applicants. Those who are outside Delhi, they are taken admission, so they can have this particular verification certificate has to be submitted. How you can apply? You have to go to this portal, that is the Buddy for Study Google portal. On this particular website, you are going to get this merit scholarship program. There is on the lower side application button is there. You have to press the button. Open the e-district portal is there. Logging existing credential with your or register as a new user ID with the mobile or Facebook or Gmail account. You can open the account and fill all the detail relevant which are there, read out properly the instruction, fill up and upload the documents and submit the. Once you verify the application, then you can press the button for application. Then you have been applied for the scholarship. Now the terms and condition: applying candidate should not have less than 60% mark in previous academic calendar. Family income ceiling is not applicable in case of SC/ST. So SC/ST, the income limit is not there, but for the minority and OBC, it is a limit is there. Student getting a stipend from institute or government during the course of study are eligible to get the merit scholarship. Minority students should not be residents be residents of Delhi for last 3 years. Remember, caste certificate should be issued in the name of student or her or his father's name by the competent authority of government NCT of Delhi. In the case of minority student, a declaration by parents or guardian in the prescribed format that his son or daughter belonging to a particular minority community is required to be uploaded on the portal. Students with an academic gap of 2-3 years are required to upload an affidavit on portal. The contact address for this particular scholarship is Government of NCT of Delhi, Department of the Welfare of SC/ST OBC, B Block, 2nd floor, Vikas Bhavan, IP Estate, New Delhi 110002, phone number 011 233 79511. And email ID is dscsteme.delhi@gov.in. So this is the email ID as well as phone number given, landline number, and the deadline is 30th June 2021. Those residing at Delhi, might be outside Delhi, these scholarship viewers can view this scholarship. If your relatives, friends which are there in Delhi who are residing last more than 3 years in that Delhi, they can apply for this scholarship. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.